let's take a look at LeetCode programming problem number 17, letter combinations of a phone number. So the problem goes as follows. We are given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive, and we have to return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. So for example, if we are given with input digits 2, 3, then in that case, if you see in this phone dial pad, 2 could represent A, B or C, and 3 could represent D, E or F. So our possible letter combinations would be something like AD, AE, AF, similarly BD, BE, BF, and similarly CD, CE, CF. So a list of strings containing all these strings would be the expected output in this case. So how about solving this problem? So let's discuss an approach which we can adopt in over here. Okay, so let's take an input string such as 4, 6 and 9. So what we could do is, first of all, we can maintain a map of all the digits to the characters that it could represent, as it was shown in the phone dial pad. So that map would have values like, it would have 2 which maps to A, B or C. Similarly 3 could map to D, E or F, so on and so forth till 9, which could map to W, X, Y or Z. So first of all, we'll keep this map pre-prepared. Now let's start parsing this input string iteratively, starting from the first character in this string, so which is 4. So when we see this is 4, we can consult this map, and 4 maps to G, H and I. So we can maintain a list, and in that list let's add G, H and I strings. So this is a list of strings, and each string in over here is a single character string G, H and I. So now we are done with 4. We move to the next character in the input string, which is 6. Now 6 could represent M, N or O. So what we will do is that first we will take out G and append all possible combinations, all possible letters which represent 6. So M could be 1, N could be 1 and O could be 1. So we are done with G. Same thing we do with H, which is already present in our list. So we can have HM, HN and HO, and similarly with I, so we would have IM, IN, IO. So this is my result list up to now. I have processed 2 characters in the input string, which is 4 and 6. Now I come over to 9. So 9 could represent W, X, Y or Z. So again what we do is that we iterate over the strings in this list and append characters which could represent 9. For example, this GM. So this GM would translate into GMW, GMX, GMY and GMZ. Similarly, this GN would translate to GNW, GNX, GNY and GNZ, and so on and so forth. We can keep on doing this for each and every string in this list, and finally we would have one big list containing all the possible strings, and we would have parsed through all the characters in the input string. So we would return this final list as the result. So if you want to check out the code for this approach, please check the link that I have added in the description. Thanks for watching.